All right, Ali, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details with us. We leave it there and shift our focus to some more news coming in, where latest information coming in from the national capital in Delhi. In fact, the Chief Minister's attack case, the Hazari court has sent both the attackers and the auto driver that was caught a couple of days ago to jail in judicial custody for 14 days. According to the reports, police will conduct thorough interrogations of both the accused. We now, of course, have information coming in as far as the attack on the Delhi Chief Minister is concerned. My colleague Arzu with us on the broadcast to give us a better understanding. Arzu, what exactly can you tell us at this point in time as far as the two accused in the case are concerned?
Yes, Rajesh and his associate Tehseen sent to 14 days judicial custody by the court. The two were produced before the court by video conferencing after the conclusion of their police custody. And more interrogation and questioning will be done as, both are telling a lot of things. And also, there are a lot more to be interrogated because it was the attack on the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta. They were planning something big. So there are a lot of questions that still need to be interrogated, and now they have been sent to 14-day judicial custody. The Delhi police has slapped the criminal conspiracy charges against both the accused. A senior police officer has said that the fresh charge was added after the interrogation found evidence suggesting the assault was not an isolated act but also a part of the planned conspiracy, and both the accused was earlier being booked under the assault and related sections, but now criminal conspiracy charges under the section 61 of the BNS have now been added to the case. So definitely, after all these things, that CM Rekha Gupta's security has been beefed up because the attack happened during the Jan Sunwai, and her office termed the assault as the part of the well-planned conspiracy to kill her. So a lot of breakthroughs that are coming as far as CM's case is concerned, and now both Rajesh and his associate has been sent to 14 days judicial custody. Yes.
Absolutely. Arzu, stay on with us. We in fact have some more news coming in on that front.